Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to install new exhaust tips on a Porsche Panamera. This one's actually a 2014, so it will be the same from the 2014 to 2016. And the other models should be pretty similar. So let me go ahead and show you guys what you're going to need. You're going to need a T30 Torx bit. And the bolts you're going to be taking off, it's actually two, which look like this one. And there's actually two on each exhaust tip. So I'm just going to show you guys the location of those screws so you know how to get to them. All right, so first one that I took off is actually, if you look right directly underneath it, you can see this opening right here. You're just going to take your ratchet and you're just go ahead and take that off. That's pretty simple. The other one's a little bit more tricky because it's actually in here in the side. Really hard to see because I can't get the camera in there. But what you're gonna need to do is use, oh, there you go. Now you can see the bolt right there. What you're gonna need to use is probably an Allen key just to get to it. That's how I was able to get this one loose. I just wedged an Allen key in there and I was able to turn it a little bit, and then you could turn it by hand. So that's pretty much all you need to take it off. Once you got those bolts off, you could just pull off the exhaust tip, put your new one on, put the two screws on, and you're good to go. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.